This is the Unit 5 test recording, picking up at question number 29. What might you expect to observe from this double displacement reaction? Cobalt 2 chloride plus sodium sulfate yields cobalt 2 sulfate plus sodium chloride. Cobalt 2 sulfate precipitate will form. Sodium chloride precipitate will form. There will be no chemical change because there will be no chemical reaction. The ions will remain suspended in their water solution. Okay. Question 30 is an open-ended question. Two clear solutions containing dissolved compounds react to form products. One of the products formed was a yellow substance as seen in the picture below. The reactants in this chemical reaction are potassium iodide plus lead 2 nitrate. Part A, what type of chemical reaction is shown? Part B, predict the products for this reaction. And Part C, which of the two products is insoluble in water, or which of the products is the precipitate? You pause the recording here to complete that question. Question 31, another open-ended question. Observe the following system. Part A, what type of chemical reaction could take place between these reactants, iron and copper 2 sulfate? Choose one of the 5 main types: combustion, synthesis, decomposition, single displacement, or double displacement. Part B, write the complete balanced chemical equation, reactants to products, describing this reaction if it were to occur. And Part C, will a chemical change take place in this test tube over time? Use the activity series to justify your decision and explain how the activity series helped you make this decision. And question 32 is a bonus question, so optional. Silver tarnishes when it reacts with hydrogen sulfide molecules in the air. Part 1. Is tarnished silver a physical or chemical change? Part 2. Write a balanced chemical equation for the process. Part 3. Classify this type of equation as one of our 5 types: combustion, synthesis, decomposition, single displacement, or double displacement. There is a do-it-yourself process for easily removing this tarnish by pouring hot water over the tarnished item, which is laying on a sheet of aluminum foil with a baking dish. This should be parts 4 and 5. Part 4, what is the role of the aluminum foil in removing the tarnish and exposing pure silver? Provide a chemical equation to support your response. And Part 4, is the removal of tarnish from the silver a physical change or a chemical change? That's the last question on the test. If you have any questions about the test, please let me know, and good luck.